Alright guys, so in this video we're going to touch something very simple. We're going to teach you how to publish a post on the Meta Business Suite. So in case this is your first time, you're just getting started in running your business on Meta, Facebook or on Instagram, you want to find out how to use the Meta Business Suite. But in this particular video, we're just going to focus on how to publish a simple post on the Meta Business Suite app on the desktop. So particularly this is the desktop version we want to cover. All right, so let's jump right straight into the video. So I'm going to show you how to publish this post using Business Suite. Let's just do that quickly. So I visit business.facebook.com/latest/home. So I'm going to switch to the particular page I want to use. So we'll click on the drop down at the top left corner. Next, you could search. So I'm just going to search for the page I want to use. Okay, so I hit the create post. Okay, so we're going to add a photo. We're using a photo for this one. So we'll select the photo, click on open. Okay, so next is the text. So we've copied that already, so we're going to paste it here. So we could read to confirm. Okay, so we're good to go. So you could activate this for share to your story if you want. Okay, so let's publish. We are good to go. So this is a preview. Click on publish. Okay, so it's publishing. So apart from this, we're going to continue this. We're not going to boost the post from here, but you could do that. If you want to run your ads from here, you could do that. But we're going to use the advanced tool, which is the Meta Ads Manager on the desktop version. So click on maybe later. We're not boosting the post here. So we're going to continue running the ads in another video. So we're going to make another post from here. Okay, let's just do another post. So you click on the create post on the top right corner. So click on add photo. Then we'll select this one. Then we'll click on open. Okay, while it's loading up, let's input our primary text. Okay, so you could see the preview on the right hand side. So this is our primary text. Okay, the caption for the flyer. Alright, so we'll click on publish. So we'll go for maybe later. We're not going to run ads now. Like I said, we're going to make a separate video on how we're going to use this existing post or this published post on the Facebook page for ads on the Meta Ads Manager. So do well to follow through. Ensure you've subscribed for our professional Facebook and Instagram ads class so that you're going to bring all this to life and see how your content are doing so well, closing sales, attracting the right customers for your business, and also taking your business to the next level. So do well to subscribe for our professional Facebook and Instagram ads class. See you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Cheers.